So now the next topic what we have to discuss, packages. So package statement or packages, packages, keep subheading package or packages or package statement. Any word is a clear. Sir, here have you observed it's a general word, don't think too much programmatically. Sir, package, basic Java package, complete Java package, or otherwise frameworks package like we have same. So South India tour package, North India tour package, Europe tour package. So what is a package? Package is a group of related things, correct or not? What is a package? A group of related core Java, advanced Java, Oracle. These are three courses are related courses. These are three by default considered as basic package. Okay, Struts, Hibernate, Spring. These are three are frameworks. That's why frameworks package. Are you getting? Sir, complete Java is nothing but total from core to web services total I want. Then we can go for what? Okay, complete. So what is a package first? Package, a group of related things. Are you getting that? Package. It is a separate package, boss. A group of related things. So like a group of related things, a group of related classes and interfaces into a single unit is nothing but package. Are you getting that? Sir, here just observe. So what is a package? Package is, it is an encapsulation mechanism, grouping mechanism. Encapsulation is nothing but grouping mechanism. So related classes and interfaces are there. Sir, all related classes and interfaces by default grouped into a single unit, which is nothing but what? A package. Best example for you, sir, all classes and interfaces which can be used for database operations. All classes and interfaces which can be used for database operations are grouped into a separate package, which is nothing but SQL package. Correct or not? SQL package contain all classes and interfaces which can be used for database operations, right? Correct or not? SQL package. Same, all classes and interfaces which can be used to communicate with file IO, file write operation, file read operation, like that one is by default considered IO package. IO package. Sir, file writer, buffered writer, print writer, file reader, buffered reader, where all these things are available by default inside IO package, right? Sir, connection, driver manager, statement, like where all these things are available inside SQL package. Are you able to understand that? Okay, so all classes and interfaces are grouped into a single unit, which is nothing but package statement, right? Any explanation is required about this terminology, Anna? Make sure. Are you able to understand that? So what is a package? A group of related things into a single unit is nothing but package statement, right? Okay, keep subheading package. It is an encapsulation mechanism. It is an encapsulation mechanism to group. It is an encapsulation mechanism to group related classes and interfaces. It is an encapsulation mechanism to group related classes and interfaces into a single unit. It is an encapsulation mechanism to group related classes and interfaces into a single unit, comma, which is nothing but package, package. Example 1. All classes and interfaces which are required, for database operations. All classes and interfaces which are required for database operations are grouped into a single module, are grouped into a single package, are grouped into a single package, which is nothing but java.sql package, which is nothing but java.sql package, which is nothing but java.sql package, java.sql package. Next, example 2. All classes and interfaces which are grouped, all classes and interfaces which are grouped, all classes and interfaces which are useful for file IO operations, are grouped into a separate package, separate package, which is nothing but, are grouped into a separate package which is nothing but, grouped into a separate package which is nothing but java.io package, which is nothing but java.io package. So I hope you people aware what is package. The word general word, don't think too much programmatically. Package is a group of related things, but here a group of related classes and interfaces is nothing but what? Package, right? So SQL package, IO package, net package, RMI package, like so sir, which are used for remote method invocation is nothing but RMI package. Are you getting? Which can be used for networking purpose, net package. Are you getting? Which can be general utilities, util package. Are you getting? Util package, like whatever a group of things for a particular purpose are grouped into a package which is nothing but SQL, IO, util, like we have 11 or 12 packages are there. Are you able to understand it? So what is a package first? Sir, now you may ask, sir, what are advantages of package statement? What is the biggest advantage of package statement, right? The biggest advantage of package statement is we can resolve naming conflicts. Best example, why this separation must be required is nothing more, we can resolve naming conflicts. Are you getting that? Okay, this here. So CM is there, CM is there, Chief Minister is there, CM. Sir, one CM for Telangana, one CM for Andhra Pradesh, one CM for Tamil Nadu, one CM for Karnataka, like we have. Sir, assume states are not there, then how many CMs are possible? So only one CM only you can define. Sir, one date present in util package, one date present in SQL package. Sir, packages are not there, then how many date classes are possible? Only one. Is it possible to exist two date classes? No. Is nothing more, we can resolve naming conflicts by using package statement. Are getting unique identification. Pass java.util.date. Oh, this date belongs to util package. Java.sql.date. Oh, this date belongs to SQL package. That uniqueness is possible because of package statement, right? Are you able to understand? So what is the main purpose of package statement? To resolve naming conflicts. Okay, first one. Second one, this package statement improves modularity of the application. Sir, this one is order processing module. Are you getting? Order processing module. All classes and interfaces which are required for order processing, I will keep inside a single package. Sir, this is order delivery module. Sir, all classes and interfaces which are required for order delivery, I will group into a separate package. Sir, these two are order module. Are you getting right? Order module. Sir, modularity of the application by default is going to be improved because of what? Package statement, right? So I can take com dot, okay, some xyz client dot order module, in the order module, in that process module talks about this one. Regarding process module talks about this one. So com dot xyz dot order dot delivery. This delivery talks about this one. Are you getting? Next com dot xyz dot order talks about this one. Are you able to get? So sir, modularity of the application is going to be improved. Maintainability of the application is going to be improved. Correct or not? So divide into modules wise. Sir, this is order processing module. This is order delivery module. This total thing is order module. This total thing is payment module. This total thing is some transaction module. Like do you know, if a module wise if we can able to divide, then maintainability of the application is going to be improved. Correct or not? Okay, this is, so make sure sir it is core Java module, it is advanced Java module, or it is frameworks module. Have you observed? So readability, maintainability or managing is nothing but will become easy instead of keeping all the things into the clumsy. Are you able to understand that? Okay, so what is the another advantage of package statement is modularity of the application is going to be improved. Maintainability of the application is going to be improved. Correct or not? Modularity will be improved, maintainability by default will be improved, right? Clear for all of you, right? Now the next one, take a bit special care. What the next? Sir, I have one package is there. Sir, I have one class test is there. Class test. Sir, which access modifier I used? Default. If I am not writing anything, it is by default. Default only. Default I use. Sir, default access modifier means where we can access this class? Only within the package. Sir, only within the package only we can access. Outside person, is it possible to access this class? No. Is it possible? Because it's a default. Default class means only within the package. Package level access is the default. Default access only within the package we can access. Outside person can't access. Outside person can't access. That's why make sure you people should aware my package acts as a wall. Acts as a wall for this class. Are you getting? Outside person is restricted to access this class. Are you getting? That's why by using packages we can get security for our components also. Outside people are not allowed to access my method. Outside people are not allowed to access my class. This type of thing we can achieve because of packages, right? Suppose assume packages are not there, then how you can restrict outside person not allowed to access this one? Are you getting? So by using packages by default we can able to achieve what? Security for our components. Clear for all of you, right? So if the package is advantage feature or not? Yes, definitely there are several advantages are there. Okay, add the main advantages of packages are the main advantages of package are the main advantages of package are the main advantages of package are first one to resolve naming conflicts. To resolve naming conflicts. Within bracket, that is unique identification of our components. 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 Next, the second one, it improves. Second one, it improves modularity. It improves modularity of the application. Third one, it improves modularity of the application. Third one, it improves maintainability of the application. It improves maintainability of the application. Maintainability of the application. Next, fourth one, it provides a security. It provides a security for our components. It provides a security for our components. That's all. Are you able to understand? So What is the main purpose of package statement, right? I hope the terminology is very clear for you people, right? Okay, so what is the package and what is the purpose of package statement, right? Okay, the same. Now the next terminology, okay, make sure you people should aware, right? Okay, how we can write package statement. But so how to write package name is nothing but what is there any naming convention, right? Sir, universally accepted naming convention for packages. Regarding universally accepted naming convention for packages, what is that? Simple, here see. Sir, can you tell what is the purpose of package? For unique identification, correct or not? The worldwide programming experts analyze in the universe which thing is unique. Regarding in the universe which is unique, worldwide programming experts analyzed, and at last they came up with one thing. Sir, if company name, assume that client name, is it unique? No. Yeah, Infosys is there, is nothing but X Infosys, M Infosys, Y Infosys, like there are several small companies also there. Name is nothing but not unique. Client name, maybe company name, or maybe service provider name, anything. Name is not unique. Then automatically they analyze all the things. At last they came up with one unique feature in the universe. What is that unique feature in the world is, so internet domain name. Regarding internet domain name is the unique. Gmail.com. How many websites are there named with gmail.com? Only one. Yahoo.com. How many websites are there named with Yahoo? Only one. Sir, how many websites are there named with Durga Soft or otherwise Durga Jobs? So only one. So internet domain name is unique in the nature. If I can use that internet domain name in packages, automatically that uniqueness by default I can able to get. That's why worldwide programming experts suggested, recommended use internet domain name while naming packages so that it improves readability, maintainability of the application, right? Or unique identification by default we can able to get. So what is that unique identification, or what is that universal accepted naming convention? Use internet domain name in reverse for packages, for package names, so that unique identification we can able to achieve. Here just example, just observe. Sir, I am taking com.ICICI Bank, com.ICICI Bank, the loan dot housing dot account. Have you observed, right? Okay, this if I use fully qualified name for my class like this, now observe com.ICICI Bank. Sir, com.ICICI Bank. Do you know what is this one? So client's internet domain name, client's internet domain name in reverse. Correct or not? Client internet domain name in reverse is nothing but com.ICICI Bank. Next, loan is nothing but like loan. Can you spell out what is the loan? Is module name. Sir, loan module for com.ICICI Bank, loan module I am talking. Module name is nothing but like. Sir, housing is nothing but what? Submodule name. Okay, submodule name. In that account I am taking. Have you observed? It is the class name like this I am taking. I hope you people can aware clearly, right? Okay, this is sir, com.ICICI Bank loan housing account, isn't? So there is universally accepted naming convention for packages is nothing but use a client internet domain name in reverse. Are you getting? If I can see this line anywhere, suppose I am walking on the road, suddenly I saw one paper. Okay, so com.ICICI Bank loan housing loan, in that public class account is there. Remaining thing we are not required to check. Oh, this program or this class related to com.ICICI Bank loan module, housing loan module related component. This is that unique identification by default can I able to get or not? Yes, that is the advantage of this naming convention. Are you able to get? Okay, add. There is one universally naming convention. There is one universally accepted naming convention. There is one universally accepted naming convention. There is some universally accepted naming convention for packages. packages. That is to use internet domain name. That is to use internet domain name. That is to use internet domain name in reverse. That is to use internet domain name in reverse. Internet domain name in reverse. In reverse. In reverse. That is to use internet domain name in reverse. In reverse. In reverse. Reverse. Okay. That's all. Take this example. Example. com.iccibank.loan.housing.account. com.iccibank.loan.housing.account. That account. Yeah, the client's internet domain name in reverse. com.iccibank. Next, loan means module name. Housing means submodule name. Account means class name. Account means class name. Class name. Completed, right? com.iccibank.loan.housing.account. I hope terminology is very clear for you people anyway. So this is universally accepted naming convention for packages. Module name, submodule name, last one class name, component name. I hope is clear for all of you, right? Okay. Now the next terminology. Okay. What is the next point here is make sure you should aware. Sir, how to write package statement? I want to write package statement. How we can write package statement? By using the keyword package. Package is a Java keyword. Now observe package. Sir, here observe. Sir, I am taking package com dot. So in Amirpet our style, package pack 1, pack 2, pack X, pack Y. Don't use this type of convention. Better to follow some meaningful convention. Com dot durgasoft dot SCJP, like I'm taking. Sir, it is related to Durgasoft. SCJP demo is nothing but SCJP, right? Sir, how to write package statement? By using which keyword? Package keyword. Next, public class. Okay, this is. Now what we have to take? Sir, public class. Here I am taking some test, my own test class. Public static void main method string array args. Now take special care. String array args. System.out.println package demo, like I'm taking. SOP, yeah, package demo, like this I'm taking, right? Regarding this is my simple Java program package demo, like. Sir, if the package statement is there, how to compile? Regarding how to compile. Now assume I want to compile this program. Okay, this is my program. Sir, I want to compile this style. Java C test.java. Java C test.java. Can you tell either code will compile or not? Ayo, Java C test.java. Either code is going to compile or not? Yes sir. No. Ayo. Yes or no? Huh? How many people are feeling no? No. How many people are feeling yes? Only 2 members. Okay. So make sure happily the code compiles fine. No problem at all. Regarding, even though package statement is there, we can compile normally. No issue at all. If it is the case, generated .class file will be placed in current working directory. Regarding generated .class file, test.class, where it will be placed is nothing but in current working directory, generated .class file will be placed. Are you getting right? So 100% pakka this one is valid, no problem at all. But you are telling tester class is related to com.durgasoft.scjp, but a tester.class file placing in current working directory is nothing but meaningless. That's why what I want to do, I have to place a tester.class file in the corresponding package structure, in the corresponding folder structure. Then what we have to do, how we can compile the program. Here java c hyphen d dot java c hyphen d dot, okay, what we have to do, tester.java. Have you observed java c hyphen d dot tester.java? Sir, what is the difference between this one and this one? Make sure there is a big difference is there. Java c hyphen d tester.java. Okay, like, do you know hyphen d? Sir, what it means? Hyphen d, what it means? Destination, or d means destination or directory. Destination to place, sir, destination to place generated classes, generated class files. Destination to place generated dot class files, generated dot class files. Hyphen d means, sir, dot means what? Dot means what? Current working directory. Sir, here what is the difference between this one and this one is, in the current working directory, in the corresponding package structure, can you please place a tester dot class file? Is nothing but like, if I use hyphen d option, what it means? Now observe this one. Sir, here I am taking in the current working directory, here com will be there. Within the com, Durgasoft will be there. Within the Durgasoft, SCJP is there. Within that SCJP, tester.class is there by default. Are you able to understand that? Okay, this tester.class file by default will be there. Is nothing but with this. I hope you people can aware clearly that. Okay, this sir, in the current working directory, in the corresponding package structure, now .class file by default will be placed. So if there is a package statement, how I can compile is nothing but by using this option. Are you able to understand? Normal thing and with hyphen d option, what is the difference you people should aware? Okay, how to run and what are various variations are there, that part I will discuss. First add this one example, take up to this package com.durgasoft.scjp, package com.durgasoft.scjp, com.durgasoft.scjp. Next one, public class test, like only program, don't take any other, just only code. Public class test, public static void main, SOP of package demo, SOP of a package demo, completed, I hope. SOP of package demo, like, are you able to understand, right? Okay, so up to this is the clear. Now first one, first command, java c tester.java, only first command, don't take any other. First one, java c tester.java, only command. Have you took right? Java c tester.java. Under that add generated.class file, will be placed in, generated.class file will be placed in, generated.class file will be placed in corresponding, generated.class file will be placed in corresponding, package structure. Generated.class file will be placed in corresponding package structure. 1 minute, wrong. Generated.class file will be placed in current working directory. Generated.class file will be placed in current working directory. Okay, now better to take this diagram. Current working directory, in that tester.class, current working directory, in that tester.class, test dot class. Have you completed, right? Current working directory test dot class. Next, second point. Next, second, better to take this command. Java C -d dot Java C -d dot test dot Java. Java C -d dot test dot Java. -d dot test dot Java. Java. Better to highlight these comments also. -d means what? Destination to place generated dot class files. Destination to place generated dot class files. Destination to place generated dot class files. What about dot? Dot means what? Current working directory. Dot means what? Current working directory. Current working directory. Directory. Current working directory. Now, have you observed current working directory, right? Now, add the theoretical point. Add generated dot class file. Generated dot class file. Generated dot class file will be placed in. Generated dot class file will be placed in. Generated dot class file will be placed in corresponding package structure. Generated dot class file will be placed in corresponding package structure. Generated dot class file will be placed in corresponding package structure. Will be placed in corresponding package structure. Are you able to understand that? Okay. So better to take this diagram also. Take the diagram. Current working directory com durgasoft SCJP test dot class. Current working directory com durgasoft SCJP test dot class. Under this one you took, I hope, current working directory. Sir, let me compile. Let me compile and let me compile this code and let me show up to this. Here, see this one. And then there are small variations are there. That part I will discuss for you anyway, right? Here, see. Sir, I am taking test dot Java. All these things are not required. Sir, can you spell out package com dot durgasoft dot let me take OCJP, because the reason is SCJP may be available in my system. OCJP, like I'm taking, sir, public static void main system dot out dot println, okay, package demo, like I'm taking. Are you getting? Package com dot durgasoft SCJP, here I'm taking, but on the board we took SCJP anyway, right? So now here let me go to current working directory. Sir, Java C test dot Java. Can you tell if the code is going to compile or not? Yes, boss. No problem at all, because compulsory we should use -d option, no rule. Okay. Now Java C. Sir, let me check for Java C -d option is there or not. Just enter Java C. Enter. Are you seeing anywhere -d option? Yes, boss. -d. D means what? Directory. Here, can you please read? Specify where to place generated. Specify where to place generated class files. Are you getting? Okay, this is. So -d option is there. Now Java C -d dot means what? Current working directory test dot Java. Yes, perfectly valid. Now generated dot class file will be placed in corresponding package structure. Sir, in the corresponding package structure my test dot class file is there or not, I have to check. That's why. So here let me go to cd com. Now let me go to cd durgasoft. In the let me go to OCJP. Now dir. Sir, in the OCJP dir I'm taking. Sir, which one is there? Test dot class is there. Test dot class file got generated at what date, what time? 28/09/2014 11/19. Are you able to get? Just now it got created, right? Okay, well, it is there, boss. Okay, now here observe this example carefully. Up to this, is it clear for all of you, right? Okay, this is what is the purpose of -d dot and so on, right? Now here small variations are there. Make sure you people should be very clearly what those variations, right? Anna, see this point well. What is that variation is? Observe this one. Java C -d dot test dot Java. Happily the code compiles fine, no problem at all. Sir, what is dot, Anna? What is the dot? Dot means current working directory. Instead of dot, can I take C colon? Or can I take D colon? Can I take E colon? Instead of dot, we can take any valid directory name, no problem at all. One option. Second thing, here first let me explain this point. Sir, in the current working directory, okay, com got created, within that Durgasoft got created, and within that SCJP got created. In that test.class file we placed it. Correct or not? Just now we took. Sir, in the current working directory, com is not there. Or com is available, but Durgasoft is not there. Or com and Durgasoft is there, SCJP folder is not there. Okay, if the corresponding package structure not available, what will happen? Is this command is going to create that package structure, or can I get compile time error? Remember, if this location is not there, if the package structure is not there, not required to worry. Happily this command itself is going to create the corresponding package structure. Whether com is there, Durgasoft is there, SCJP is there, we are not required to check. If it is not already there, by default this command itself is going to create that folder structure. Clear for all of you at first variation, first at this point. If the corresponding package structure, not already available, if the corresponding package structure not already available, then this command itself will create, corresponding package structure. This command itself will create corresponding package structure. Corresponding package structure. This command itself will create corresponding package structure. Okay, so this is first variation. Okay, I hope com is there, Durgasoft is there or not, we are not required to check. If it is not already there, happily this one is going to create that package structure, right? Okay, well, now second point, analyze this point well. Sir, here dot is there. Okay, anyway, dot itself is there. Instead of dot, can I take C colon or D colon or not? So instead of dot, we can take any valid directory name. Are you getting? E colon you can take, C colon you can take, D colon you can take, like, sir, any valid directory name. Sir, Java C -d. Now I am taking F colon. Valid or not? Valid or not? F colon. So instead of dot, we can take any valid directory name. Okay, not required to worry. Any valid directory name is valid. Sir, I am taking Java C -d F colon followed by test.java. Valid or not? Valid. But the corresponding package structure and so on inside F colon will be created. Now F colon, in that com will be created, in that Durgasoft will be created, in that SCJP will be created, in the test.class file will be placed. Are you able to get that? Okay, this is, sir, as a destination, instead of dot, we can provide any valid directory name, no problem at all. Are you able to get? But in the corresponding location, the package structure by default will be created. Okay, add second, I mean this point also. As destination, instead of dot, as a destination instead of dot, as a destination instead of dot, we can take any valid directory name. directory name, any valid directory name, example, javac -d f colon, javac -d f colon test.java, javac -d f colon test.java, javac -d f colon test.java. So f colon com durgasoft SCJP test.class, com durgasoft SCJP test.class. Test.class file by default will be placed in the corresponding package structure. Okay, test.class file will. So in the f colon it will be there. Are you getting? So let me show this one also, but before that one more conclusion you should aware. Sir, here I am providing, okay, this is, are you able to understand, right? In the corresponding package structure, now this total thing will be there. Now observe this one. Here see, observe javac -d f colon followed by test.java. Is it valid or not? Yes, boss. In my system f colon already there, not required to worry. Okay, so if you consider f colon, is it there or not, you can check. Here have you observed c d e f, c d f is there, e is not there in my system, f is there. Okay, now observe this one. Sir, let me go to f location. In the f location, cd com is there, in the durgasoft is there, in the OCJP is there, in the dir. Have you observed? Just now 28/09/2014 11:26, just now this one got created. Are you able to understand that? Okay, this is so any valid directory name you can provide, no problem at all. Clear for all of you, right? Okay, this is next one. Observe this one. Sir, here you can take any valid directory name, you can take instead of that. Now my question is, sir, I am taking javac -d now z colon test.java. Sir, if z colon not there in my system, is nothing more. Can you tell this command itself will create that z colon or not? Is this command itself will create that z colon or not? No. If the specified location not already available, then we will get compile time error. Remember this one. So let me cross check this part also. Here see, ఎవరైనా అట్లీస్ట్ ఒకళ్ళని చెప్తారేమో అనుకున్నా, విల్ క్రియేట్ సార్ లైక్. ఓకే, javac -d .z colon followed by test.java. Have you observed javac -d z colon test.java? Immediately directory not found z colon. Are getting directory not found z colon, like by default we are going to get. Are you able to understand that? Okay, this is at this point. If the specified directory not already available, if the specified directory not already available, then we will get compile time error. Okay, at this point, javac example, javac -d z colon, javac -d z colon test.java, javac -d z colon test.java, javac -d z colon test.java. Okay, at the point test.java, add the point. Well, javac -d z colon test.java, add. If z colon not available, then we will get compile time error. If z colon not available, then we will get compile time error saying, then we will get compile time error saying, can I spell out what the compile time error? Then we will get compile time error saying directory not found, okay, z colon, directory not found, z colon, directory not found, z colon, like, are you able to understand, right? Okay, this is, so make sure you people should aware clearly, right? Sir, now how to run? Sir, how to run? Now observe, java c -d dot tester dot java. Sir, can you tell where dot class file is there? Where dot class file is there? In current working directory, com, within that what? Durga soft, within that what? SCJP, within that what? Tester dot class file, of course, is there here. Within that tester dot class file is there. Now my target here is, sir, I have to run this. If you want to run at the time of execution, compulsory we have to provide fully qualified name. Are you getting? At the time of execution, compulsory we should provide fully qualified name. Now java c, sir, java c, I want to execute this one. Java, 1 minute, java, I want to execute java. So com dot durgasoft dot SCJP dot test. Are you able to get? Sir, at the time of execution, compulsory we have to use what? Fully qualified name, then only the program is going to run. Is it clear for all of you? Make sure. Sir, I want to enter inside com. From the com, I want to give durgasoft.scjp, it won't work. Remember this one. Compulsory we have to use what? Fully qualified name, then only it is going to run. Now let me cross check if you want. Java, can you tell what? Com dot durgasoft dot OCJP dot tester, because in this I took OCJP, right? Now package demo by default we are going to get. Are you able to understand? At the time of execution, compulsory we have to use what? Fully qualified name. Okay, make sure you should aware. At the time of execution, we have to use, at the time of execution we have to use fully qualified name. At the time of execution we have to use a fully qualified name. Name, okay. At the point, java com dot durgasoft dot scjp dot test. Java com dot durgasoft dot scjp dot test. What is the output? By default we are going to get package demo, like output is the package demo. Now I hope terminology is very clear for you people, right? So how to write a package statement? If the package statement is there, how we can compile and how we can run. While compilation, what are various loopholes are there, like you should aware clearly. That's all. So now related to SCJP, what important conclusions are there about this package statement? Just only 2 conclusions are there. Let me explain. Keep supporting. Conclusion 1. Yes, only 2 conclusions are there. Conclusion 1. Conclusion 1. What is the first conclusion? Here is observe. Sir, I am taking here see package pack 1. Assume in Amirpet I can use pack 1, pack 2, no problem. Package pack 1, package pack 2, like I am taking package pack 1, package pack 2. Now public class A, package pack 1, package pack 2, public class A, curly brace open and close. Okay, like this. Sir, if I compile this program, how many dot class files will be generated? Under dot class file will be placed. How many dot class files will be generated? 1 or 2? If only one, in which package the dot class file will be placed? Are you getting? If only 1 dot class file got generated, if two dot class files, no problem. 1 dot class file will be placed inside pack 1. another dot class file will be placed inside pack2. But if only one dot class file generated, then in which package it's going to be placed, inside pack1 or pack2? Ayo, because pack1 came first, that's why inside pack1 it will be placed. Okay, make sure that is what first important conclusion, right? In any Java program, in any Java source file, there can be at most one package statement. What is the meaning of at most one? Either 1 or 0, either one package statement or 0 number. That is, more than one package statement we can't take. By mistake, if you are taking more than one package statement, immediately compile time error we are going to get. Remember this one. Sir, here is it valid or invalid? Invalid compile time error we are going to get. Sir, what error? Listen this one. First package valid or not? First package statement valid. After package statement, immediately I am expecting what? My compiler is expecting what? Either class, import is optional. Import if you want you can take, otherwise ignore. But what is the next one I am expecting? Either class or interface or enum expected. That's fine. But instead of class or interface or enum, now we are taking what? Package statement. That's why compile time error saying class interface or enum expected. Class or interface or enum expected. This is the compile time error by default we are going to get. Are you getting that? So in any Java source file, at most one package statement is allowed. By mistake, if you are taking more than one package statement, immediately compile time error we are going to get. Is it clear for all of you? That okay? This is, let me show this one. Sir, here I am taking package pack1, package pack2. Like this I am taking two packages, right? Now observe Java C, so test.java, or even if you are using -d also same problem only. Have you observed? Can you please read compile time error? Class interface or enum expected at which line? Package pack2 line. Is it clear for all of you? Right? Okay, this is at conclusion 1. In any Java source file, there can be at most one package statement. There can be at most one package statement. At most one package statement. That is more than one package statement is not allowed. More than one package statement is not allowed. Otherwise, more than one package statement is not allowed. Otherwise, we will get. Can you tell? Otherwise, we will get compile time error. Okay, take this part. Package pack1, example package pack1, package pack2, package pack2. Next, public class A, you are going to get compile time error saying class interface or enum expected. Like class interface or enum expected. I hope, is it clear for all of you, right? Package interface or enum expected, like. Now the terminology is very clear for you people anyway, right? Not required to keep much explanation about this one. Okay, class interface or enum expected, like. Now keep supporting conclusion 2. Second conclusion 2. Okay, here see, I am taking, observe a bit carefully. Sir, I am taking import statement. Import java dot util dot star. import java.util.star, and then I'm taking package, and then I'm taking package pack1, and then public class A I'm taking. Sir, can you tell, is it valid or invalid? 100% pakka invalid. Do you know what is the reason why this one is the invalid? Is nothing but valid or invalid? Invalid. Compile time error by default you are going to get. Sir, can you spell out what that compile time error? Why it is invalid? Simple. In any Java program, the first non-comment statement should be package. Sir, comments anywhere you can take. First non-comment statement should be package. Sir, first package and then import, acceptable. First import and then package, invalid. That's why compile time error we are going to get here. What that compile time error? Simple enough. After import, what my compiler always expecting? Either class or interface or enum. But instead of that, what you are taking? Package. Misplacing, right? Okay, this is immediately compile time error saying, what that? Class interface, class interface or enum expected. Class or interface or enum expected. Is the compile time error by default we are getting. Clear for all of you, right? Okay, this is. Now observe this one. Sir, here I am taking import. Okay, import java.util. Here java.util.star I am taking. Import java.util.star package pack1. Okay, immediately compile time error we are going to get. Have you observed? Same error, class interface or enum expected. At which line? Package pack1. Clear for all of you, right? Okay, this is. So in any Java program, the first non-comment statement should be package statement within bracket if it is available. If the package is not available, no rule. Okay, add. Conclusion 2. In any Java program, the first non-comment statement should be, in any Java program, the first non-comment statement should be, package statement. First non-comment statement should be package statement. Within bracket if it is available. Bracket close. If it is available, bracket close. Otherwise we will get compile time error. Okay, take this part. Import java.util.star example. Import java.util.star package pack1. Take clearly. Import java.util.star package pack1. Next, public class A. Class interface or enum expected. Class interface or enum expected like. Can I complete it right? Okay, make sure you people should aware clearly, right? Class interface or enum expected like. That's all. So this is about Java source file structure. Sir, we covered so how many classes are allowed, what about import, static import, package statement like. That's all. Now at the last summary point, let me cover related to Java source file structure. Sir, in any Java program, first which statement is allowed, Anna? First just now we covered package statement allowed. First package statement. Can you tell what the second one? Next one, import any number, no problem at all. Import statements are allowed. And then after import statements, what we can take? Either class or interface or enum declarations are allowed. Now class or interface or enum, declarations we can take. Class or interface or enum declarations. Do you know this is valid Java source file structure. This is the valid Java source file structure. Okay, this is in any Java program, how the things will be there is nothing but like this is valid Java source file structure. But here the point is, sir, can I use the term this order is important or not? Because first package, another import, another class or interface or enum is nothing but this order. This order is important. Okay. How many package statements are allowed? Can I spell out how many package statements are allowed? At most one. Don't use one. At most one package statement is allowed. How many import statements are allowed? How many imports are allowed? Any number. Any number means what? Either 0 also. No problem. Any number. Sir, how many class or interface or enum declarations are allowed? Here observe. Can I take at least one or only one or any number? Ayo. Have you observed the difference, right? At least one, boss. Compulsory one must be required. And then if you want, you can take more than one, no problem. But one, at least one must be required. Or, sir, only one only. You can't take more than one. Okay? Or, sir, any number you can take, no problem at all. At least one, or any number, or at most one, or exactly one. Oh, fourth option also came. How many people are feeling at least one? At least one. Majority of the people. Okay? So make sure all you people should require to remember this point. Okay? What the point is, listen this one. Later, leave that part. Just within few minutes I will fill. Okay? Now observe this. Sir, I am taking, listen this one. This is my program. Within this, I am not taking anything. I am saving as a test.java. Sir, I am not writing anything. An empty source file. No class, no interface, no package, no import is nothing but test.java. Now, second one I am taking. Sir, package statement I am taking. Package, pack 1. Now, only package. Nothing is there. Only package. Okay. Now, the next one. Sir, only import java.util.star. Import java.util.star test.java. Import java.util.star test.java. Next, only here package statement I am taking. Package pack 1 and then import java.util.star. Package pack 1 java.util.star test.java. Next, here I am taking. So test.java, like here I am taking package. Okay. So pack 1 or otherwise let me take, sir, class test, that's all. Class test, that's all. Now I am saving this code, yes, test.java. Okay, that's all. This is my programs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. Can you tell among these, last one perfectly valid? Don't keep any doubt. Okay. Sir, what about remaining? First one? First one, an empty source file. Sir, I am not taking any class. I am not taking any package import. An empty source file is a valid Java program. Ayo, valid or not? Okay. Observe this one. Listen. Here, this is the test.java. I am removing everything. Sir, here I have observed empty, an empty source file. Nothing. Empty source file test.java. Now let me compile. Is it valid or not? Java C test.java. Happily the code compiles fine. So, an empty source file is a valid Java program or not? Yes. So, the first one perfectly valid, no problem at all. Sir, what about second one? Valid or not? Now think a bit carefully. అసలు ఏమీ లేకపోతే వ్యాలిడ్ అయినప్పుడు ఏదో ఒకటి కొంచెం ఉంది కదన్న. ఇఫ్ నథింగ్ ఈజ్ దేర్ వ్యాలిడ్, అట్లీస్ట్ వన్ లైన్ ఈజ్ దేర్, నౌ డెఫినెట్లీ ఇట్ షుడ్ బికమ్ వ్యాలిడ్. వ్యాలిడ్ 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 వ్యాలిడ్, రైట్. ఓకే, an empty source file is a valid Java program, automatically remaining also valid, no problem at all. Now with this knowledge you have to tell what about this one. How many classes, interfaces or enum declarations are allowed? Any number, at least one, at most one, or exactly one. Which one is the correct answer? Any number. In the last you people told at least one. No such type of restriction. Any number is allowed. Any number is allowed, no problem at all. Are you getting? So this is the valid Java source file structure in Java, right? Of course, at this point, add the following is a valid Java source file structure. The following is valid Java source file structure. The following is valid Java source file structure. Source file structure. The following is the valid Java source file structure. Okay, better to highlight this one. Package statement, import statements, package statement, import statements, package statement, import statements. Next, class, interface, enum declarations. Class or interface or enum declarations. Class or interface or enum declarations. So what about this one? This order is important or not? Yes, this order is important. So this one is at most one, any number. I hope completed, right? This order is important. Next, at most one, any number, like. Take only up to this, don't take any other. Completed, right? Okay, next, take a note. Better to highlight within the box or something like this pattern, especially whatever we covered. Completed. Next, note. An empty source file is a valid Java program. An empty source file is a valid Java program. An empty source file is a valid Java program. Program. Next, hence the following are valid Java source files. The following are valid Java source files. Okay, take this part. Test.java. So take all these five things. Take all an empty source file. So the program which doesn't contain anything, but the program which contain one line package, the program which contain import, the program which contain package and import. Next, this one is nothing but class test. At most one, any number. Next, this order is important. Completed, I hope. Okay, completed, I hope. That's all at most one. Okay, these are valid Java programs, right? Okay, that's all. So this is about Java source file structure. So the first module in declarations and access modifiers is this one.